Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word indict in depth. First, the definition. Indict means to formally accuse or charge someone with a crime. Think of it simply as officially blaming someone for a wrongdoing. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Indict traces back to the Latin indictere, meaning to proclaim or accuse. Over time, it's been used by legal systems and courts. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use indict in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. The grand jury decided to indict the suspect after reviewing the evidence. Correct example 2. The officials threatened to indict anyone involved in the scandal. And just for fun, here's a playful, wrong example. I tried to indict my sandwich, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using indict correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Indict means to formally accuse or charge someone with a crime. It comes from the Latin indictare, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with indict down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.